How did Josef Mengele's experiments spur the Nuremberg Code? Imagine being a doctor during a time when ethics in research were not clearly defined. Now picture the horrors that unfolded at Auschwitz during World War II. Josef Mengele, known as the Angel of Death, performed inhumane experiments on prisoners. His actions shocked the world and made it clear that strict rules were needed. These experiments involved terrible procedures like injecting chemicals into eyes to change their color and subjecting people to extreme temperatures. Many prisoners suffered and died because of these unethical practices. The outrage from these atrocities led to the Nuremberg trials, where Nazi doctors were prosecuted for war crimes. During the doctors' trial, it became obvious that there were no proper guidelines to prevent such abuses. The judges recognized the urgent need for clear rules to protect human subjects in medical research. This led to the creation of the Nuremberg Code in 1947. The code set out 10 principles to ensure research was done ethically. The most important rule was that people must give voluntary informed consent. They needed to understand what risks and benefits were involved. The code also emphasized that experiments should have potential benefits that outweigh the risks. Researchers had to base their work on solid scientific evidence and animal studies. Participants had the right to stop the experiment at any time. These principles aimed to prevent future abuses like those committed by Mengele. The Nuremberg Code became a foundation for modern bioethics. It influenced later guidelines like the Declaration of Helsinki and the Belmont Report. Today, these principles are still used to protect patients and research volunteers. They reminded us that medical progress must never come at the expense of human dignity and safety. Josef Mengele's horrific experiments made it painfully clear that strict ethical standards are essential. The Nuremberg Code was created to ensure that history would not repeat itself. It remains a key part of how we approach ethical medical research today.